2 years after the pandemic disrupted the course, 2022 marked a new turn for Jamaica's education system.
I'm delighted that we're able to be back in the face-to-face environment again. As you know, it's been 2 years since we've been able to do this on a September morning.
The ministry immediately executed programs to ensure all students were attending classes and had support to address the learning loss caused by the pandemic.
We've trained our teachers in differentiated learning, and we have deployed our technical officers, curriculum specialists, literacy and language coaches or specialists, math coaches, among others, to provide support to the learning programs in our school.
A blueprint to guide the future of education. Expanded, better, and more technologically advanced physical spaces. And other resources drove improvements to the learning environment. Another mark of success was the rollout of the Sixth Form Pathway program.
We cannot deny the fundamental intelligence behind extending the school year from 5 to 7.
Under its youth portfolio, the ministry strengthened the partnerships for the recovery of missing children and launched a messaging service to help parents support their wards.
The intention of it is to find a place on the compound here in Atalco where you can sit and manage your troubles away.
We want a national call to action for educators, parents, students, and the general public to take personal and collective responsibilities to end violence in schools.
And it's within that context, the Ministry of Education and Youth will continue to promote the health and well-being of our youths in order to evolve and improve the societal future.